And the ability for them.
Greetings, family. We're live in Revolutionary Camp here at the Cape Coast Holocaust Dungeon here in Ghana. And we're going to ease into a conversation that's currently going on with our brother Del. How you feeling today, brother?
Brother's feeling good, but feeling bad.
We want you to let off what's on your chest. You had some things you like to share based on your experience so far at the dungeons.
We were just talking about the fact that these dungeons encapsulated the ability for the different people who are not of African descent to get together. These dungeons were a combination of the Dutch, combination of the British, combination of the Germans, and they all seem to work together for the true detriment of Africans. And we also talked about the beauty of the system, that it was a perfect condition. It's not beauty in terms of it was good, it was just how it was. They had the color ability to separate you. They had the ability of language to separate you. They knew. It was awesome. Thank you.
All right, well, we're going to get some feedback from one of our exciting persons, Sass. Sass, you look a little gloomy today. You look a little down. Even though you have this bright red, black, green.
I always be sad when I come here.
Shirt on.
And, you know, it's emotional. It's transformative. You know, you just have to be in touch with the realities of how cruel and hateful the Mafia is. You know, it's a reality. It still hurts. It doesn't always feel good. It's tears. They never go away.
And you're one of the few people that have been to this dungeon many times, at least 3 times for you, right?
Yeah, 4 actually, but it's tough. Especially when I come into the women's dungeon. It's the worst ever, you know. But you get stronger spiritually because you recognize that we're indestructible people. And the more that we've been tried to be destroyed, we rise up, and we're still rising up, and it makes a very precarious kind of situation very bittersweet. Very bittersweet. But our tour guide, he's enlightening us. Every year we tend to get more readied and informed and to handle the rest of the struggle. The struggle continues.
Excellent, and we let people know that it's fine to cry and it's fine to shed tears and it's fine to let these emotions out.
Yeah,
so,
we have the freedom to be ourselves as we return home and honor our ancestors with the libations that we pour and the altar gifts that we bring, and we don't have to acquiesce or push down emotions and let other people have their way. We have our way when we come here, and we leave better than we came every time.
Ashe to that.
Yeah, ashe to that.